There we go. Finally fixed the AC. Got my plate frame on me. You know how to pull one of those stupid bushings off because it didn't want to work. And now, yeah, we're in my car. Oh man, I'm not in the driver's seat. Yes, women know how to drive stick. This is true. Nikki's got to drive us to go get some candy because we're about to hit the road. We got a little mini road trip ahead of us. Grimsley, coming for you, baby. We're coming to see you, Grimsley. All the way in Richmond, California. It's a nice little road trip, dude. It's a weekend. It's our days off. We're trying to enjoy them, you know? But she's all paranoid about driving the car. I'm so scared. Who are you? You're too paranoid.
I told you.
It's because the camera's on you. Oh, boys, this may be the last you see of the STI, so. If the next clip you see me outside the car, you know, we probably didn't make it. Fucking cakewalk, damn.
Why did you make my hair look like that?
Because it's wide view. Woo! Wide view, STI wing in the back.
This is the part I'm scared of.
Because of cars?
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, there really is a lot of cars there usually, but we'll find out right now. I'll help you. Easy. Give a little more beans than that. Come on, drive a little faster. You can't shift below 3,000. Car doesn't like that. Shift F4. Go a little faster, Nikki. Come on. Go a little faster. Shift to third. Give it a little bit of beans.
Turn right,
Yeah, left. Why are you scared to give it the beans? She's so scared to give it the beans. If someone gives you permission to give you the beans in your own STI, you should do it. Like, fuck it. Why not? Your driving's really smooth. I'm impressed.
Thanks.
I'm really impressed. Like, shit. Honestly, this is probably like the smoothest female driver I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even joking. Like, stick shift wise, I know like a lot of girls that can drive stick, but none of them that can drive it this smooth. Straight up. Like, when the first time she ever drove my car, she's all paranoid and she just took off like nothing. Like, I was like, what are you scared of? You can drive it like nothing. Look at that smooth takeoff. Jesus. You don't want to drive this car anymore?
How many cars are around?
Yeah, so? But you don't want to drive at nighttime. I said you could drive at night and you're like, no, I can't. Squeezers. Sports clips. Look at the smoothness, dude. I'm impressed. Now let's just see if you can park. Let's see if you can park.
Park way over here where there's no other cars.
That's fine.
Okay.
Look at that smart woman right here. I'm gonna park where there's no cars. We're gonna come out though and someone's still gonna park next to us, almost guaranteed. Ah, good old fender liner rubbing. Okay, easy. That was so easy, Nikki. Lollipops. Cavities on a stick. Candy. Oh yeah, Grimsley, I hope you like chocolate. We're coming in hot, baby. It's cold? You are sweating right now in the car. That car, ooh, yes, look at my plate on the back real quick. Oh. STI plate frame on a stick. Yes, sir. Let's get out of here. It's car wash time, baby, before we hit the road. Yeah, boy, Grimmies. What's up? Grimm's is camera shy. Oh yeah, we got some tasks we gotta complete for Grimmies today. Nikki, what are we gonna do for Grimmies today?
What?
What are we gonna do for Grimmies today?
I'm gonna pierce his ears.
Oh yeah. Join the squad, Grimsley.
Yeah, I'm gonna scream like a bitch.
Oh, that'd be good content, please do.
Oh no.
Or if we remember, if we can't find anywhere that's open, Nikki's gonna pierce them for you.
Yeah, get a tattoo.
You ain't down?
You're not even down.
No
We
balls.
should all get matching ones.
You know balls, Grims, you won't.
Get a fucking chest tattoo.
Just get something small like on our fucking thumbs or something.
Best friends for life.
Yeah.
I don't know what we would get. That'd be tough. Can we get bananas?
I would get a banana tattoo, yeah.
Banana, yeah, like this one. The Mario Kart bananas. That'd be funny. That'd be fucking funny. I'd be down to it.
Blue shell, all of us.
Yeah, there's one. I told you guys there's one.
Hey, call them, Sneaky, see if they're open. Put it on speaker so you can record it.
Probably can't get tattoos, but I can get a piercing. Even though I am fucking afraid of needles.
Probably appointment only. Hi, are you guys open for walk-ins by chance?
Yes, do you want a tattoo or piercing?
Both.
Both? Anytime, you know, like, anytime after, 30 minutes.
Okay, got it. Awesome, thank you.
No worries.
Well, Grims, I guess you're getting piercings. We might get tattoos.
Fuck, I can't get tattoos, but I can get the piercing.
I can get tattoos.
Banana piercing.
Get it on your bed.
I can get a tattoo.
Your ass cheek.
You'll never know.
Woo! It's gonna be a fun day. Bring it on, Nessie. I see you.
Oh, hello, you wanna smell me?
She's like, who are you, human?
Hi.
You don't smell like gamer sweat.
You don't smell like Grimsley.
Scared her.
Who, me?
Yes.
What'd I do?
You talked?
Oh, wow. Of course it was me, Grims. It had to be me.
Hi.
Like, you cheating.
Grims has the kitty kingdom out here. Look at this dude. Meow. Do they come in the house, Grims, or no?
No, they don't. They're afraid.
They just chill right here by the door, though. That's cool.
All day.
Damn, they crawled all over your car, Grims.
Cats like that.
My mom. That's her dad. Really, really. Yeah.
We have cats like that hang around our house.
Skip the results because I'm taking him out at his own house.
Doesn't count. Doesn't count. Fake news.
Fake news! Fake news. Fake news. I'm taking Grims' cheeks in his own house. Grims always calls me a hacker on Mario Kart Online. In your own house, Grims. Disrespect, bitch.
Fuck off.
Oh yeah, who's the hacker now, Grims? I get called a hacker on Mario Kart because I always win, but I'm not a hacker.
You gotta face freaking. Whoa.
Who? Who wants to face me?
Wait.
Run my fate on Mario Kart. Add me. Nintendo Switch. Where they gonna use friend codes? Friend code. Description.
Snapchat.
No, friend code right here on the screen somewhere. Add me. Run my fate. Thanks for the penny board, Grims. I don't want to eat shit. I don't hardly ever ride penny. I ride regular skateboards, not penny boards. This isn't my thing, but it's really smooth. Grimmies! Woo! It's pretty smooth. Really, really smooth, really comfortable. Like a microwave toaster oven. Schnicky! Woo! Grimmies. Do you? Trying to turn around, hold on. Subaru, locked? Beep. Oh my, Grimmies. Which one do you like the most, Grims? That one? Oh, I'm pretty blessed.
I got it big fun for like $50 and I tricked it out.
Damn, it's pretty good. 15 bucks.
Fuck me.
Wait, this park's right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So can we go ride to the park to see if the courts are open?
Careful. Black for many years.
Oh yeah, we're tracking right now. Womp, look at this. This is how you ride a longboard, boys. Oh shit, Nikki! Oh wait, hold on. Oh.
Yeah, this park is not that
We're gonna take a shit. The basketball court's open, Grims.
Yeah. It's kind of odd today that it's open. But then I think they single out people.
Damn, girl, why do you look so good? Ugh.
I don't understand that.
Grim, let's get some walkie-talkies and maybe we'll reach the 120 miles apart that we are.
Oh my god, yes.
Maybe 100 miles.
There's yellow ones right here too.
Oh yeah. 100-mile range walkie-talkies.
Impulse
120
earbuds.
120 feet?
Yeah.
We need 120-mile ones.
We don't have that.
2-pack.
There we go.
Have Grims get an Apple Watch and you guys can watch.
We could.
Android.
Apple Watch, hello. Yeah, Grim's an
I have
Android
a
fan,
Legend of
sadly.
Zelda watch.
Legend of Zelda watch. I got an Apple Watch because I like to flex. JK, I don't flex anything, I'm broke. Big facts.
It's bad, but has an Apple Watch.
This is an Apple Watch SE. I'm the Apple Watch SE, what do you mean? Okay, here's my thing. I save my money, I spend it on what I want, and then I stay broke again for a while. Till I can save up again. I need to feel my mask is all fucking crooked. There we go. Better. I have one like this that I keep my face trimmed with, except it's not battery powered. You can actually charge it.
This one's pretty good. For the hair and the back.
Remington. Ooh, I got a wall clipper. 15 bucks? Damn.
Yeah, I have the same thing as
Was that a sign?
whole wall thing.
Gotta go. Got Nikki a new dress here.
She got the drip.
Grims, this shit won't even fit you, bro. Look at.
I could fit it easily.
That won't fit you, Grims. This shit's too big, boy.
I wear anything as a gift.
All right, let's get. I'm gonna get you this army shirt, then, Grims.
Oh, Nikki,
Wait.
I got you something.
Oh shit, Grims.
XLT.
All right, Grims, you said you wear anything, right? I'm gonna get Grims this little outfit. He said I'll wear anything. He said anything, Grims. Leave.
How if I look like if I want to go to a bar?
Bring it on. That shit's too big for you too, Grims.
Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, it's just generic, but
That's kind of cool.
actually pretty dope.
I actually kind of like it.
You wanna buy
That's it? What size is that shit? Oh, here, Grimmies, I'll get you these.
It's outside. Oh my.
Oh my.
$6.99 for XXL. Isn't that bad?
Jump up in the air, jump.
About to buy Grimm's these pants right now. Grimmy said he wants to push his butt up. I might do the same shit. We'll have to bring it on, Grims.
Definitely.
Definitely. Maybe our figures will look like this. So S tier. Hey, nothing like some good old 40 mile per hour on the highway traffic, boys. Today we get a new set of wheels for the STI. Why are we getting a new set of wheels? We just picked these wheels up and I sound like I'm dead because I'm kind of tired, not gonna lie. Because I want some other wheels. That's all. That's the only reason. I just want some more wheels. There's no other reason. Like I like these wheels, but these wheels, I think I even said in the video, these wheels were gonna be temporary, and the time has come for them to go to Twinkie. I did say, yeah, I mentioned in the wheels video that I got these wheels in, that I was gonna sell them to Twinkie. So I'm picking up my other set of wheels right now. As soon as I get out of this fucking traffic, and we're gonna take them back, paint them up, and that'll be that. Should be drive by tomorrow. Oh, you can't see because it's too dark. New wheels, who this? Oh, let me give you a sneak peek. You see that design right there? That's the only sneak peek you get. You guys see more when we get back. Which will actually probably be like, fuck, 2 minutes for the video. And an hour or something for us. See, like, yeah, I can't fast forward time. If I could fall like that, shit, I'd be home already. We gotta go eat first. Eat and snacks. I fucking hate lines.
2 more spicy chicken to love sandwiches. Just a sandwich.
Chick-fil-A. Come to San Jose, you get Chick-fil-A. You know what comes after Chick-fil-A? I'm not gonna say it, you have to wait and see. Fuck yeah, with the cream. They don't have the chocolate one I want. Only the mini one with sprinkles, whereas the regular one with sprinkles. Package so cute. Oreo donut. I'm about to turn into a mukbang right now, boys. I'm not gonna show my face because I want to see you guys. I want you guys to see me chewing. Look at my food in my mouth. Look, I'm wearing my Twitch hoodie today too. I feel pretty cool. We're off to the next adventure of the day. It's been a long day, but a fun one. We're on this fancy schmancyville right now. We're still an hour away from home. Oh yes. Hi everybody, it's Mickey Mouse. Oh, we're recording each other? Okay, well, let's go then, Target. Bring it on. I can record too. I got a camera. What are you gonna do? Huh? Pull up. Pull up, you're still loading, you don't know what to do. Bitch. Alright boys, for the last part of this video. One more time, hopefully. Moment of truth. I hear that loud wall, bro. My fuel float sensor is pretty bad. I'm gonna have to replace that. But I hear the Walbro flowing. Hear that puppy. Woo! But honestly, the real test is gonna come when we go full boost. So stick around for that test.